Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and I wanted to introduce you to a new proof of work token coming to a pool or server near you called WagLayla. And full disclosure and transparency, I am part of the core team for this particular project. Now, the lead dev spent a decent amount of time trying to nail down the algorithm that they want, but it is a Caspa fork, and I know we all roll our eyes anytime we hear that, because there's just been so many. However, I just want to introduce you to a few key points and allow you to join the community and learn more as we go forward and as this project continues to grow. Now, the three primary goals, as stated here on the website, is community, scalability, and longevity, all of which will be worked on with you, the community members, over time. There's no pre-mine and there's no dev tax. That's a big one, right? The algorithm that it mines on is Layla hash. Again, the token name is WagLayla. You can follow us on socials, Discord, X, Twitter, whatever you want to call it, Telegram, GitHub. I challenge you to join us. And the emission schedule is very similar to Caspa, right? With the initial pre-deflationary block reward of 500 Layla for the first 3 months. And then beginning on the 4th month, the block reward reduces progressively, starting at 456.26. Then decreasing monthly until reaching approximately 0.03 Layla. The emission model accumulates in a total of a maximum supply of 17.5 billion Layla. So obviously, the earlier you get in and mine this project, the more tokens you will have. Things are going to build up over time as we work to get on exchanges and work with various teams, members, pools, mining devs, so on and so forth. But Ark did a very good job of putting this website together. The team has been working very hard in the background. Great job to all of them. I contributed in some form or factor, but I'm not going to say I contributed a significant amount compared to my colleagues on this team. Ark's got a great guide out there. I would challenge you to go check it out. Links are going to be in the description, and we'll do a future video about how to set up the node, wallet, and start mining. But come and check it out. Jump in the socials. Let us know. Hit us up. Talk to us. Let me know what you think about this project. We all been looking for that next token, like a Caspa to take over for ETH, but Caspa has been consumed by ASICs. So will this token be that? I can't tell you that. We all been hoping for one token to just bring us back to the glory days of Ethereum. We don't know which token that might be, but I'm certainly going to work alongside my colleagues that develop WagLayla and do our best for the community. But I would be more than happy to have your help and your expertise. So check out the links in the description. Do me a favor on the way out. Hit that like button, get subscribed, hit the notification bell to stay up to date, as well as check out additional links in the description to help support the channel and what we do here. And you just have yourself a wonderful day. Take care. I'll catch you next one.